how to delete apps on iPhone iOS 18. To delete apps on iPhone iOS 18, it's not so different even from the iOS 18 or older version, because iOS 18 just brought a simple update. So currently, if I open my settings app, go to general, go to about phone, you can currently see I'm on iOS 18. Right now, what I need to do is, if I want to delete or get rid of a certain app aside from only deleting, I have many options. I can long press on it, then I can tap on require Face ID to lock this app with my Face ID. Alright, I can tap on remove app to be able to delete the app completely or only remove from my home screen. So based on what I want to do, if you want to delete it, you can tap on the delete app button to be able to completely uninstall that application, or you can only choose to remove them from your home screen based on whatever it is you're trying to do. And this way you'll be able to delete app on iOS 18. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.